Good day guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be checking out Ethos Wheel Cleaner 2-in-1 Iron Decon. But as I mentioned, we're going to be checking out Ethos Wheel Cleaner 2-in-1 Iron Decon. Super excited about this. The last Ethos product I used was the Foam Party. Absolutely amazing product. Love that stuff. So we are going to see how this wheel cleaner works and my thoughts on it as well. One thing I do like a lot about Ethos products is down the bottom here, it is all made in the USA, so very, very cool there. And as I mentioned in the Foam Party, absolutely love the bottling and labeling. As you can see, it has a nice matte and gloss finish. Their labeling and bottling is definitely top notch. Love the way it looks. So a few things about this product is it's a color change technology, attacks contaminants on contact, quickly cleans wheels, paint, glass, and more. Professional strength pH neutral formula. Pleasant fruit scented. Their instructions for the wheel cleaner is spray Ethos Wheel Cleaner liberally on a cool, dry wheel finish. Let product dwell on surface for 2 to 5 minutes or until it changes color completely. Use a soft wheel cleaning brush or wash mitt to clean the surface of the wheel. Rinse the wheel clean and enjoy the results. For Iron Decon, this is the 2-in-1 step. Evenly spray Ethos Iron Decon onto cool, dry finish you are looking to decontaminate. Let the product dwell on the surface for roughly 2 to 5 minutes or until it changes color completely. Rinse the surface completely and move on to the next step of your detailing process. For best results, use product out of direct sunlight. Avoid letting product dry on surface. Avoid spraying directly onto delicate finishes or matte plastic trim. Rinse product thoroughly from surface. Safe for use on protective coatings. Reapply if needed to achieve desired results. So very straightforward, simple. I do love that this is a 2-in-1 product. You can use it on your wheels or you can use it on your paint for an Iron Decon if you're going to be going on to clay barring and doing a paint correction or paint enhancement to decontaminate that painted surface. So very cool that it is a multi-use product, and as you can see, it is a nice thicker gel formula. So I do believe it is going to cling to the surface very well and effectively, but we will be checking that out and seeing how well it works. I'm not going to be using this on paint. We're only going to be using it on the wheels, but that is going to give us a good idea of how well this stuff is going to work. So I always like to spray the wheels off first with water, shake the product up, and then we will come in, spray the product on, see the color changing when it's attacking the iron particles that are on the wheel, let it dwell, we'll come in for our contact, we'll see how well this stuff works. So it does have a little bit better of a fruit scent with the Iron Decon. The Iron Decon stuff normally smells really bad. It does not smell too bad, so that is a huge positive right there. One thing that sticks out really well is how well this stuff is clinging. You can see it is not just running off the surface. It is doing a great job of sitting on the surface, just sitting there breaking down any of those particles. You can see on the rotor it is turning purple. It is very, very purple. And the Iron Decon properties of this product. So we're just gonna let it sit here and dwell, then we'll come in for that contact wash. But I absolutely love the consistency of this stuff. Even on these flat surfaces right here that are vertical, it is not just running off, it is just sitting on there. So the gel properties of this are really, really awesome. So it's been sitting here dwelling for the 2 to 5 minutes. We're right about the 2-minute mark. None of this stuff has ran off of the surface. It is still clung onto the surface very well. So I'm super excited and happy to see that. I'm going to come in for the contact wash. So it generates really nice suds. There is good lubrication to them. They are very slick. It is breaking down the dirt. You can kind of see it. We didn't get a whole lot of the purple effect except for on the rotor, but that is okay because, like I mentioned, the wheel is dirty. It's not horrible, it's just lightly soiled. But we are going to get a good feel for how well this cleaner works. Another thing to note is using this, it smells way better than any other wheel cleaner that I've used with an Iron Decon properties to it. It doesn't have that horrendous, nasty, rotten egg smell. Huge plus for me right there. Let's go ahead and get this thing rinsed down and see how clean it rinses and what the results are that we get from it. So I'm not going to dry this with a microfiber because I don't want to wipe off if there's any dirt or anything dirty on the surface. I'm going to get my blower out. We're going to blow dry the wheel so we can get a good feel and a good look at how well it cleaned and if it left anything behind. But just rinsing it, it rinsed very easily and the wheel right now is looking good. So let's see how it looks when it gets dried. Okay, we've got the wheel dried up now, and as you can see, in the nooks and crannies, everywhere, it is cleaned really well. I'm very blown away by it because of the ease of use. You don't really have to scrub at it a whole lot. Spraying the product on, letting it attack all the dirt and grime that is on the surface, then coming in for the agitation, it has knocked out everything on this wheel. So it is really clean. I always struggle with these parts right in here unless I got a good wheel cleaner. It just loves to build up dirt in there and you can't get it out. But as you can see, this wheel has turned out really, really good with not much work at all. As I mentioned, the smell is not that horrible, pungent, rotten egg smell. It does have a nice fruity scent. Don't get me wrong, it does have that smell a little bit, but nothing compared to any other strong wheel cleaners that I've used, especially ones that'll do a job this good. Also, it clings to the surface. Phenomenal. It stays on the surface, sitting there attacking. It's not just running off and dripping off the wheel. Very, very impressed with this product. I'm going to use it on the other 3 wheels, get those cleaned up, and I'll come in for my final thoughts on this product. Let's do a quick walk around to see the wheels after I've cleaned them. That's the one that we did on camera. Here's the other. We'll get to the side in the sun. So here it is in the sun. As you can see, extremely clean. Even the barrels, everything. It has done an absolutely amazing job. And then here is the last one. Absolutely loving this product. Alright, so there's the review of the Ethos Wheel Cleaner 2-in-1 Iron Decon. I can't say enough good things about this product. I absolutely love it. This product has performed past my expectations. From the way it clings onto the surface without just running off and attacking all the dirt and grime, letting it dwell and it's attacking it. So when you come in for your contact wash, it is just completely removing it. You're getting a very, very clean surface. The scent is nothing horrible. It does not have that horrible rotten egg scent as I mentioned. So that is a huge plus. It does have a nice fruit scent. Don't get me wrong, you are still going to smell that Iron Decon in it a little bit, but it is not unbearable. So honestly, I have nothing bad to say about this product at all. I absolutely love it. Definitely a 2 thumbs up product. Out of the 2 Ethos products I've used, great quality products. They've performed past my expectations, and that is what I'm looking for in products. As you can see at the back of the bottle here, that is right where the level is at on it. I have measured it out roughly, and I am going to roughly get another 6 more cleaning of all 4 wheels on the car, 6 more times out of this bottle. So roughly 7 times of cleaning all 4 wheels on my car, and that is a huge bang for your buck because of how well this product performs. Personally, if you have not tried this product, I highly recommend picking some up, trying it out. I will link it in the video description down below to Ethos website, so you have a nice quick link to get to this product here. But this product is absolutely worth its money. I did pay for this product myself, and I honestly love it. So right now, this right here is my favorite wheel cleaner. Ethos is doing a killer job on making some very, very quality products. But please remember, if you like this review, you like this video, and you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload. Also, smash that thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, feel free to hit the dislike. That is fine. I take all of your input, and I try to produce the quality content that you want to see. So definitely drop a comment down below of what you thought of this product. Is it a product that you have used? Is it a product that you're thinking about picking up? If you're thinking about picking it up, personally, don't sit on it and wait. Pick it up. You're going to love it. But I want to thank you all so much for taking the time out of your day to stop in and check out this video. I appreciate all you guys' support. You guys are amazing, and you're what makes the channel absolutely awesome. And thank you guys for that. But I will catch you all in the next one. And until then, take care.